Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach mainly English and Math. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing and click on the bell icon. Let's get into our lesson today. Okay, let's discuss the homework you did previously on subtraction. Okay, number 1A. Okay, number 1A is over here, 64,820 ringgit. Subtracts 3,715. So 0 cannot minus 5, you have to plus 10 minus 1. Okay, every time you borrow, you have to plus 10 and minus 1. The number that is not enough, you plus 10. So 0 plus 10 is 10. And then the number that is lending minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, then you minus 10 minus 5, 1 minus 1, 8 minus 7, 4 minus 3, 6 minus 0, and then your RM. Okay, please check your answers, yeah? Okay, 1B over here, 5 minus 5, 7 minus 2, your decimal point, 6 minus 6, 8 minus 3, 7 minus 2, 4 minus 1, 9 minus 5, and then RM. Okay, 1C is over here. Okay, there's nothing here, right? Nothing here means 0.00. Okay, so when you want to minus, you have to borrow. So the first number you plus 10, the second 0 only gets 9, and then this one that is lending the number minus 1. Okay, then you minus 10 minus 5, 9 minus 2, decimal point, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 8. Okay, this is not enough, so you plus 10. 1 plus 10 is 11. 5 minus 1 is 4. Right? You plus 10 and then minus 1. 11 minus 6 is 5. 4 minus 3, 6 minus 1, and then your RM. Okay, question D. You have to minus 2 times. Okay, 5 minus nothing is 5. 6 minus nothing is 6. Decimal point you copy. 0 minus 0 is still 0. 0 minus 0 is still 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus nothing is 7. And then your RM. Now you have to arrange the numbers correctly according to their place value. So over here is just 1000, right? Thousands place value. So you put 6 and 5 together. Over here is 10,000, so only 7 in front. And then behind here is the cent, right? Tenth and a hundredth. It's 4 cents. Then we minus the second time. 5 minus 0, 6 minus 2. My bad. 6 minus 2. Okay, now not enough to minus, so we borrow from this one. This one 1 becomes 0. The second number gets 9. The first number gets 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. 0 minus 0 is still 0. Okay, borrow again. Plus 10 becomes 11. Minus 1 becomes 6. 11 minus 3. 6 minus 2, RM. Question E here, the answer here is putting on the left. Okay, it doesn't matter whether the answer the question is looking for, whether it's on your right or whether it's on the left, it doesn't matter. You still have to minus and then you get the answer. Okay, it doesn't matter whether it's left or right. So it's still 98,000 minus 2 times. Okay, 98,000 minus 574 ringgit 85 cents. Okay, can you see there's nothing here? So nothing here, what does it mean? Do you write 85 here? No, this is minus and not plus. So you have to put 0.00, then you minus. Okay, so not enough, we have to borrow from 8 over here. So 8 becomes 7. Okay, all this 0 in the middle here becomes 9. Becomes 9. Becomes 9. Becomes 9. Only the last 0 becomes 10. Okay, can you see that? All the zeros in the middle gets 9, only the last one gets 10. And the one that is lending the numbers, minus 1, becomes 7. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. Decimal point, don't forget. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus nothing is 7. 9 minus nothing is 9. RM you have to write. Okay, now we minus the second time. 5 minus 5, 0. 1, okay, not enough, we have to borrow. So plus 10 becomes 11. This one, 5 minus 1 becomes 4. Okay, 11 minus 7 is 4. Decimal point. Okay, this one becomes 4 minus 5, not enough again. Alright, 4 plus 10 is 14. 2 minus 1 becomes 1. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 1 minus 9, not enough again. So 1 plus 10 is 11. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, you always plus 10 and minus 1. 11 minus 9 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 4. 9 minus 2. And then RM. Don't forget. Okay, question F. Okay, this minus unknown equals this, so we take the bigger number, we minus the back numbers, then we get the unknown. So 58,000 minus 12,000, right? Okay. Okay, not enough, so we plus 10, becomes 10. This one becomes 7. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, 7, not enough again, we plus 10. Then 5 minus 1 becomes 4. 17 minus 9 is 8. Decimal point, remember. Okay, 4 cannot minus 8, we borrow again. 4 becomes 14. 3 becomes 2. 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay, 2 we have to borrow again. 2 becomes 12. 8 becomes 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. RM, remember. Okay, for 2a, calculate the difference between these two numbers. So the keyword here is difference. So to find the difference, you have to minus. So you take the bigger number, 24,000, minus the smaller number, 17,000. Okay, so 2a is over here, 24,000 minus 17,000. Again, there's nothing here, so you put 0.00 first. Okay, not enough, so you borrow. So 5, you minus 1 becomes 4. The middle 0 gets 9, the last 0 gets 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. Decimal point. 4 minus 2. This one not enough. Plus 10 becomes 17. This one minus 1 becomes 7. 17 minus 9 is 8. 7 minus 4. Again, plus 10 becomes 14 minus 1. 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 1 is nothing. Then write your RM. Okay, 2B. What is the number that should subtract 12,287 ringgit in order to get 20,000 ringgit? So what is the number is the unknown. So I put the unknown here. The box in front here is the unknown. Subtract 12,000. So I subtract 12,287 ringgit in order to get, that means equals 20,000. So this is how the number sentence looks like. Unknown minus 12,000 equals 20,000. So how to find the unknown? We plus the last two numbers. Okay, we plus the last two numbers. So here we have it, 7 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 1 plus 2. Okay, question 3, we have to solve every question and arrange the answers in descending order. Okay, descending order means the value going down, numbers getting smaller and smaller. Okay, descending. Then we write the letters according to the answer sequence. What is the word form? Right. Okay, why don't you leave a comment down below? What is the word form? What is the word that you find after solving this? Leave your answer in the comment down below. Okay, I'm not going to show you the calculation, I'm going to give you the answer straight away. So 70,000 minus 6,231 ringgit and 85 cents, you get 63,768 ringgit and 15 cents. Okay. For the second one, 50,000 minus 15,000 minus 25,000, you get 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Okay, for the third one, 86,325 ringgit and 75 cents minus 49,631 ringgit and 20 cents minus 7,400 ringgit. So you get 29,294 ringgit and 55 cents. Pay attention to how I read the numbers here. Sometimes you need to write the words according to the numbers given. Okay, next one, 58,506 ringgit and 10 cents minus 37,429 ringgit. Okay, you get 21,077 ringgit and 10 cents. Okay, last one. Unknown minus these two, you get this. So to find the unknown, you have to plus all the three numbers behind. Okay, plus all the three numbers behind, then you get the biggest number here. So 3,348 plus 74,829 ringgit and 15 cents plus 306 ringgit and 60 cents, you get 78,483 ringgit and 75 cents. Okay, now we got all the answers, so we have to arrange them in descending order. So descending order, once again, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. So you should put the biggest number in front and then it gets smaller and smaller. So which one is the biggest number here? So we can see that it is 78,000, right? 78,000 is the biggest here. So the letter is S, so we put S in front. And then secondly, the second biggest number will be 63,000. So the letter is M, we put M in front. And then the third biggest will be 29,000. you put A in front, and then the fourth biggest is 21,000 R, and the smallest number will be T. So the word here is smart. Okay, did you get the correct answer? So how do you compare the value? You can look at the first two numbers, because these two numbers are the thousands. So this is 78,000, and then the second is 63,000, the third is 29,000, and then 21,000, and the smallest is 10. So from here you can see that this 78 is the biggest, and then 63, 29, 21, and the smallest is 10. Okay, so for the next topic, we look at addition and subtraction. So you've learned about addition and you've learned about subtraction. So when you put both of them together, it shouldn't be a problem, right? You just plus, and then you minus, and then you get your answer. Okay, you plus and then you minus. So you have to do two calculations here. Can you see here? You plus first, and you minus. Okay? Sometimes it can be minus first and then you plus. Alright? Shouldn't be a problem, right? Okay, so your homework for this week. Okay, look at page 111. Question 1, right? A, B, C, D, E, and question 2. Okay, question 1 and question 2. So this is your homework for this week. Please do your homework. And if you have missed last week's video, you can watch them here. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.